A very pleasant day to everyone. Myself JAYASHREE, Assistant Professor working in Department of Computer Application. Today I am going to introduce a new subject called Introduction to HTML. Subject code is 23USCA23. Let's see the course flow for our subject. First unit consists of Introduction to HTML, and second unit we are going to see about tags and document structure. Third unit, a list. In the list we are going to see unordered list and the ordered list, and unit 4 consists of tables, and unit 5 consists of frames and forms. First we are entering the subject. We have to know about the course objectives. We are going to see insert a graphic within a web page, and we are going to see how to create a link within a web page, and how to create a table within a web page, and how to insert an heading levels and tags in a web page, and we are going to see the types of list and how to create a web page. Next, after learning this course, the students will able to know about the basic concept of HTML, and students can able to know the understand and the save the files, and student can able to know the page formatting, and they can able to know the concept of creating link to email address in a web page. These are the text and reference book for your HTML. And next we are going enter to the unit 1. Unit 1 consists of introduction and web basics. In web basics we are going to see what is internet, and we are going to see next topic is web browser. In web browser we are going to see the difference between web browser and search engine, and what is web page, and next the final topic is understanding tags. First, what is internet? As we know, without internet there is a vital role which is playing in this digital world. So let's see the definition of internet. Internet is a global network of interconnected computers and computer networks which communicated with each other using a standard set of protocols. Let's see what is protocols. Protocols is nothing but which is a set of rules. As in internet we are going to use many types of protocol, but we are going to see the standard internet protocol suite is TCP/IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and IP stands for Internet Protocol, which connects the billions of computers in a world wide web. And internet has been divided into wired and wireless. Wired can be connected by cables using fiber optic cable, coaxial cable and twisted pair cable, and wireless can be Zigbee, Wi-Fi and so on. This is all the internet. Next we are going to see the characteristic of internet. First one is we need a network infrastructure. Second, as we already seen, what is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules. Third characteristics is data transmission. Fourth is routing. Fifth is ISP. Sixth is World Wide Web. Next is domain name service. Next we are going to see security protocol. These are all the characteristics of internet. Next topic we are going to see is web browser. As web browser, it is we are using in a day-to-day life. Let's see the definition of web browser. It is a software application which allow users to access and navigate to the World Wide Web. It means the browser will allow user to access the websites like multimedia content, which consists of HTML, multimedia content, images, videos, audios and so on. Here are the example for web browser: Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Edge. In this we are using the most web browser is Chrome. Next we are going to see what is web page. A web page is a document written in HTML format, which is we are going to see in our second unit. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, which you can see in online while you are using a web browser. The web pages includes text, photos, videos and multimedia contents. A group of web pages are called as website. This is an example for website. Next, let's see the difference between web browser and search engine. Okay, listen, the web browser is a software application we are using as an example Chrome so on, which is used to access the information on World Wide Web. Search engine is designed to search for information on World Wide Web. It is an application, it is designed to search for information. Okay, it allows to access and displaying websites. Okay, but it allows you to search and filter the websites. Next, web browser is locally installed in your device. For example, Chrome, Safari and Internet Explorer. But it is a software system which runs on World Wide Web. For example, Yahoo, Google, Bing and so on. This is the difference between web browser and search engine. Next, we are going to see structure of HTML. As everything has a structure. For example, by entering into the programming language, there will be a syntax. Likewise, HTML also contains structure. The first will be doc type HTML, which tells about the document type. This doc type HTML tells about the HTML file. Next, the root element will be HTML, and next it contains the header information, which consists of header tag, it's everything will have a title. Likewise, the HTML page will also have a title. For that, we are going to use a title tag. It defines the title of the page. Next, body tag, which holds the content of the page. Okay, the starting and ending element will be HTML. Okay, these are the structure of HTML. Next, this will be the structure explanation. For example, first line, doc type HTML declares that document is an HTML file. Next, HTML acts as a root element in an HTML page, and head tag has been contains the meta information about the HTML page. Next, title specifies the title of an HTML page. Thus, the body content will contains structure of the body, and there are many tags we can use: headings, paragraph, image, hyperlinks, tables, list, and so on. Okay, next we are going to enter into a small intro of HTML tags. There are many tags which we can use in HTML, but I am going to introduce a simple tags here. As first tag is comment, and this can be viewed in a HTML part of a document, but it does not act as any for nothing it will show. Okay, next one is A, that which is called anchor tag. Next is bold, B, it represents as B. It is bold, which is used to bold your text, and next big and bold is very similar. And next, body tag, body is an extra tag. The name of the tag is body of HTML document. It contains the contents of your web page. Next, BR stands for line break, which with the contents of your page will break the line. It means the content of your page will be divided. Next, center, the text will be aligned in center, which means this will be center your contents. Next is, these are called as heading tags. Heading tags is divided into 6, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, which means heading 1 will be very bigger, and this is the example for heading tags. Next is, as we already seen what is by title tag, which is used for a title for a web page. Next is TR represents for table row, and which is used in, which we are going to see in 4th unit in tables. Okay, next we are going to see the tag is called U, which represents as underline, which is used to underline your text, or which is used to underline your content. As I already said, list is divided into 2 types of lists: ordered list and unordered list. As UL represents for unordered list, the tag name is unordered list. This is the example for unordered list. Yes, let's we recall this video lesson, as we are entering into the quiz time. If you know the answer, you can post your answers in your comment box. Okay, first, who am I? Okay, the first, I am a protocol that enable communication between computers over the internet. I ensure data packets reach their destination reliably and efficiently. Who am I? Your time starts now. So, if you know the answer, you can post your answers in a comment box, as the answer is TCP/IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and IP stands for Internet Protocol. Yes. Next question is, I am a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the Internet Protocol suite to link the devices worldwide. What am I? As this is one which we are going to see and which are using in a day-to-day life, your time starts now. Yes, the answer is internet. Okay. Next, guess the answer. Which HTML tag is used to define the beginning and end of the HTML document? As I already said, that one tag we will use in beginning and end of the HTML document. As here are the option: A HTML, B it, C body, D title. Your time starts now. Yes, the answer is HTML. Let's move to next question. Yes, what is a web browser? We already discussed about what is web browser and search engine. You have to tell the answer about what is a web browser. Option A, it is a software application used to create websites. Option B, a device used to access the internet. Option C, a software application used to retrieve and display web pages. And option D, a protocol used to transfer data over the internet. Your time starts now. Yes, the answer is correct. It is a software application which is used to create a website. Okay, next question is, yes, next is what does HTML stands for? I already introduced in certain topic what is the full form of HTML. As option A, hyperlink text markup language. Option B, hypertransfer markup language. Option C, hypertext markup language. Option D, iText markup language. Your time starts now. Yes, the option is C, hypertext markup language. Okay, next, this will be our next question. Which HTML tag is used for making your text bold? As we already discussed, there are certain tags in HTML as option A B, option B bold, option C strong, option D big. If you know the answer, you can post your answers in comment box. Okay, your time starts now. Yes, the answer is A, which denotes as B. Yes, next question is which HTML tag is used to define the title of a page? Okay, option A header, option B title, option C heading, option D caption. Yes, your answer is correct. Option B title. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in next session.